Welcome. Another episode, another day for technical analysis. So, we are checking out the Bitcoin monthly chart. We need to make sure we see the full picture of what's happening. So, we're going to start by breaking this down. We have our Fibonacci levels here 0, 26, 23, 6, 38, 2, 61, 80, 78, and so on forth. Right now, you see on the bottom this line, this is what we would call the bottom essentially on the monthly chart. And then we're on the second level. We have basically bounced off since the year have started, right? Crossing over that 8 EMA. Then we're gonna go into the weekly. Again, this is the bottom here at about 16,000. Pay attention to that, right? Remember, and we passed the 23.6 in the Fibonacci. And then I drew this blue line right here. This blue line is more of a support and resistance type line. If we scroll back this way, you can see right here it took off. Got some wicks here on the weekly chart, and then we went like this, and then boom, here we are touching on this blue line. Bullish signal, y'all. This is a bullish signal to see this green chart. I'm on a Haken Ashi, and I'll show you what it looks like in the candlesticks. A lot of big green candles, right? So we're going to now go to the day chart. Here we have the red line is our 55 EMA, 89 lined up here, price action above. Then we have the 55, 34 in the yellow. And then we have that line, that support and resistance line from May of 2021, November 2021. We across that line, clear right here. And then we have the 21, which is the light white moving average. Very important numbers. Bitcoin looks bullish. And you can see from April, it is battling 30,000. 30,000. Let me put a line here. Key level of resistance that we have to pay attention to. So when you traders out there, investors, look at 30,000. And if we get rejected, we're probably going to head back down towards 28. Next, what we're going to do is check out XRP for my XRP army here. Boom. So again, we have the day chart up. We're going to start with the day chart. I'm going to zoom out for y'all. Here we go. Just about the full XRP day chart. Fibonacci 0, Fibonacci 23.6. That's the second bar. This orange bar, very important. Again, you see all the bounces of how support or resistance, boom, then became support, back to resistance. We're here now. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. What does this look like? Let me draw another kind of trend line for y'all. All right, here, let me move this trend line. So this trend line essentially is more of a wick to kind of pay attention to, a line. You can kind of see the direction. It is triangle with our Fibonacci just about. So here we are. Fibonacci 23.6, fighting on the tops. These are tops here, y'all. These are tops, and tops. We're trying to battle. The bulls want to break through this line successfully. And this is the trend that is going. This is what XRP is looking like. So I know this can make you happy. Pay attention. Again, we showed Bitcoin look bullish. This is a good sign if you are trading XRP. And at some point, the case should be ending there, right? Very important. Bullish, bullish, bullish signal. So now we're going to go to Algorand and look at the Algorand charts and compare Algorand. Here we are with Algorand. Let me start with the day chart, zoomed out. Yeah, honestly, chart not looking well. We already know this. Tech is great. Business is booming. So let's zoom in. And you can see ever since that dark downtrend started in November, after the peak in November, we've been heading down. So I have my Fibonacci retracement slope to the right. Okay, so here we are in the last, since this year, we at the year to date. You can see the year to date. Algorand, of course, is down like most things, but let's look at this trend here. Still looking like a strong downtrend on the day chart. It wicked to a bottom. Leave a comment below if you caught the bottom around 9 cents. I caught it at 11 cents right here. So I just about hit the bottom when I bought a purchase. I feel good. But when we look in, it's not looking strong. It's looking like it's about to head back down. So we're going to zoom into the 4-hour chart, shorter time frame. See the pop here. Let me get to my path. You can see the direction here. We came down. Hopefully we go up. That's the target, is to go up. If not, we are going to go down, which is, let me get another direction here. That's the scenario we don't want, but it looks like that's a scenario we might get. Again, I don't think we're going to go to this level. Let me draw another support just here. Does make me a little nervous. This is what we could potentially see again, or we could see this here. That's the price action. We're gonna wait, so we should know something by June 1st next week in terms of price action for Algorand. Before we go, we're gonna check out the QQQ. We've been watching the QQQ. We're gonna hit the day chart, and QQQ is looking strong for you stock investors out there. Critical line of support. We are right here. You can see the Fibonacci. What Fibonacci is that? 61.8, or excuse me, that's not 61.8, 38.2. So we are about, again, 2 bars up, trying to work our way back up to prices of about $60. I'm on the TQQQ for you traders out there. I like to trade options with this. So we looking bullish, still bullish. All my EMAs are lined up, the 89, 55, 34, 21, and then the 8. And then I drew my lines just to kind of see where the direction potentially go. I'm going to go to Hakanashi. You can see these 2 candles here are representing bullishness, looking like we headed back up to the upside. Okay, yes. So in summary, the market is looking good. We had some pullbacks of things in the short term, right? But we're looking back to the upside. We're looking for all-time highs in the NASDAQ. We're looking for all-time highs in a lot of stocks. Crypto's waking up. We're going to make sure and see that Bitcoin can make its way past 30K successfully into 35. Thank y'all for tapping in. Leave any questions, comments, and concerns below. All right, y'all. I'm going.